Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Goldie YouTube channel. This is my cousin Sanjana and another cousin
Sister.
is Mithun.
She should say sister.
Yeah, of course, but I'll say Sanjana.
Why? Because she's donkey. Okay, guys.
Okay.
My YouTube channel is Golden Raghavendra.
And Mithun's Hanumanta YouTube channel, Golden Hanumanta. Okay?
We are golden, na? That why we kept golden.
Actually, I'm diamond and gold, silver, everything, but not donkey.
She's here.
Okay.
Okay, we are doing some magic,
magic,
guys. Promise we are doing.
Next, we are playing mind game. So it's truly magic. You can truly actually trust it a lot. So actually ನಾವು ಹಾರರ್ ಮೂವಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ವಿ, ಆದರೆ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವಳು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅದು ಗಾಯ್ಸ್, ನಾನು ಜನಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಡಾಂಕಿನೇ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ.
ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡು. ನಾನು ಡಾಂಕಿ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ
ಆಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಇದೆ, ಮೈಂಡ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಇದೆ.
ಇವಾಗ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಗೇಮ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್ ಮೀ.
ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಡು ಮೈಂಡ್ ಗೇಮ್.
Truly this is magic only. Please
Subscribe to our channel.
Actually,
Starts now.
Okay. See guys, it's truly doing it. See guys, it's attracting my skin.
See guys, it was here. This came like this. We are doing.
Actually,
guys, he has invited this boy.
1 minute.
Mithun, sorry. He only.
This is Mithun.
Guys, sorry guys, we are doing like silly magic. I mean, silly comedies. You should try this magic, guys.
Yes, of course you can try it.
Promise.
Promisely. Please trust me. Please trust my vlog.
Actually, guys, Papa got cheese. That will push me up. Please, guys. Inside you should see, guys. See, guys. Inside. Only attitude only inside of this main. Okay, guys. Bye bye. Subscribe. You
Please
can subscribe my golden YouTube channel.
Yeah.